Hello guys, this video is about symmetric tree. The question is as follows. Given the root of a binary tree, check whether it is a mirror of itself, that is symmetric around its center. Here is an example. This is a binary tree. This subtree 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4, 3. These are mirror images around this line. So this is a binary tree. So the output is here is true. The return type is boolean, so the output is true. We can see it in another way, like if we fold this binary tree along this line, this dotted line, the right part of it should overlap with the left part of it. The 4 should overlap with 4 and 3 should overlap with 3, 2 with 2. Then we call it a binary tree. We'll see another example. This is not a binary tree since this binary tree does not overlap when we fold across the center. 2 will overlap with 2, but 3 will not overlap with 3. So this is not a binary tree. So the output here is false. So previously we saw what is a symmetric tree. Symmetric tree is a tree which is symmetric along this line, that is the center line, and both the left and right subtree are mirror images across this line. So this image here 1, 4, 5, this is not a symmetric tree because 4 and 5 have different values. So this is not a symmetric tree. A single node is a symmetric tree because it doesn't have a left or right subtree. So this is a symmetric tree. So if the root is none, we'll return true since it is a symmetric tree. Then we'll check the root 1 has both left child and right child, because if it has only left child or only right child, then it will not be a symmetric tree. Then we'll check the values of left node and right node. If both are equal, then we can proceed to next step. As we previously discussed, for the tree to be symmetric, the left subtree should be mirror image of right subtree. So for this to happen, left roots left and right roots right value should be equal, and left roots right and right roots left value should be equal. 4 and 4 are equal here. Now we'll walk through the code. So class solution, and if root is none, return true. We have discussed this before. So if there is no tree, it is automatically symmetric. Again, if the root is not none, we'll call isMirror function, which has two parameters, root.left and root.right. Root.left and root.right. This is the isMirror function. It has two parameters, left root and right root, which the self.isMirror function will send. So if left root and right root means if left root is not none and right root is also not none, then we'll return this value, this whole value will return. First we'll check if left root value and right root's value are equal or not. First we'll check left root's value 2 is equal to right root's value or not. This is a recursive function. Then we'll again call isMirror function with left root dot left and right root dot right, and self dot isMirror left root dot right and right root dot left. Then we'll return left root is equal to right root. Now we'll check the whole process of how this works. First we'll send root.left and root.right parameters to the isMirror function. Here root.left is this node and root.right is this node. Then after sending that, we'll check the value. Left root dot value is equal to double equal to right dot value. So 2 is equal to 2. This condition is satisfied. Then here is an AND. All the three conditions should satisfy to say that this tree is symmetric. So self dot isMirror left root dot left. This is left root. Left root dot left is here 3, and right root dot right. Right root dot right is this 3. this node. So we'll send these nodes to the isMirror function again, since this is a recursive call. So here again, both left root and right root are present. 3 and this 3, both left root and right root are present. So I'll go inside the if condition. Return left root dot val is double equal to right root dot val. Here 3 is equal to 3. So this condition is satisfied, and again left root dot left and right root dot right again is sent to this. Left root dot left is none. Right root dot right is also none. So if condition is kept here, and we'll return left root is equal to right root. Since both are none, here both are none, we'll return true. So true is written here. This 3 is equal to 3 and true is written here. Then we'll come to the third statement. Left root dot right, comma right root dot left. So here left root dot right is none again, and right root dot left is also null. So again we'll skip the if statement and we'll return left root is double equal to right root, null is equal to null. So this returns true again. Since all the three statements here are executed and all are true, then we'll backtrack to here. Then previously we have not executed this statement here. We have continuously executed this second statement, and we have to execute this. So we'll come here. Now we'll execute the third statement here. Left root dot right and right root dot left. Right root dot left. We have sent the roots here, and we'll check if left root dot val is equal to right root dot val. So 4 is equal to 4, and again we'll send self dot isMirror left root dot left and right root dot right. So here both left root dot left and right root dot right are null. So we'll return true. And again here left root dot right and right root dot left, both here are null. So we'll return left root is equal to right root, which is true. So this node is also completed, which is true. So here total we have parsed the total tree. We'll come like this. First we'll parse this, then we'll come here, then we'll see these nodes, then we'll come here, we'll check these nodes, then we'll backtrack and we'll go to these two nodes, and we'll finally come to the conclusion that this is a symmetric binary tree. Thank you.